So, good afternoon, everyone. I am Trapti Singh, partner at Abhyas, and it's a real pleasure to have you here today as we explore a topic that is not only vital but also has a potential to transform educational institutions, mastering asset management for education growth with Zoho. So, whether you are an administrator at institute, a faculty member managing resources, or someone interested in driving efficiency in education, this session is for you. We are going to look at how smart asset management can ensure that institutions can run smoothly, optimize resources, and ultimately support a richer learning environment. Now, I want you to take a moment and think about all the assets that support your institution, from the technology in your computer labs to the books in your library, the academic programs you offer, and even the infrastructure that keeps everything running. These assets from the backbone of any institution, and managing them effectively isn't just about organization. It's about making sure that everything works in harmony to support growth. Today we'll take a deep dive into how Zoho's ERP tools can help you master asset management, save money, and contribute to long-term educational success. We'll explore practical studies, share strategies for monetizing underutilized resources, and even talk about how asset management plays a crucial role during accreditation processes. If I'll talk about the agenda, so here's what we'll be covering today. First, we'll introduce our company, give you some context on who we are. Then we'll explore what asset management really means and why it's so important for educational institutions. We'll share some real-life examples of institutions that have benefited from improved asset management. Next, we'll dive into why Zoho ERP is an excellent tool for this purpose and how you can implement it within your institution. We'll also talk about you can actually monetize asset management and leverage it for accreditation benefits. Finally, we'll open the floor for Q&A session where I'll be happy to answer any question you have. So before diving in, I would like to invite Zoho team to introduce themselves and what they are doing in the education sector. Kartikeya, over to you.
Yeah, okay. Thank you so much for the brief conversation on brief objective conveyed to the audience, right? So this is Kartik. I'm working as a partnership marketing manager at Zoho, and I have with me Preetham, who is a partner account manager. We are part of the same team. Preetham, would you like
Hi
to...
all. Yeah, hi. Good to see you all. Thank you.
Thanks for attending, and I can assure you that this is going to be a great value add in terms of partnering along with Abhyas in solving this very specific challenge, especially in the education sector. So let's move on. And as Trapti said, we'll be opening the floor at the end, wherein we can also have Q&A, question and answer sessions, and few other purpose-driven conversations to solve your doubts, right? So let me begin by giving a brief introduction about Zoho. Okay, so Zoho, as you know, this is one of the monumental milestones which we have achieved as a private bootstrapped company in the country and across the world as well, right? So at Zoho, we have always sought to challenge the status quo, especially when it comes to complexity, inaccessibility, and unaffordability. Perhaps 25 years before, because in 1996, these challenges inspired us to create thoughtfully curated solutions or software, perhaps, that could transform the way organizations work. Inspired by simplicity and driven by a long-term approach to running a sustainable business, Zoho was born right here in India. From a single product to a suite of more than 55 business applications, all crafted and built from the ground up, we have evolved and solved complex business processes, and we now serve organizations of all sizes and sectors, or perhaps across industries. Our edge in R&D has been our key in terms of moving towards innovation, which is why we have introduced over 55 plus SaaS products in the last 25 odd years. And these are the, this is our graph, like how our users as well as products have been growing consistently across these 25 years, which is a phenomenal testimony when it comes to our growth and innovation. These are our global footprints across the world, and we're very particular about the privacy of our customers, and therefore we have our own data centers in specific continents, right? And Zoho remains privately held, profitable, and we are proud of the fact that we prioritize building our own products rather than acquisitions which are a common sight. Creating stellar products for our users comes first. Over the long run, it's not about the big wins alone for us, but also about small, consistent ones, the determination to keep innovating. So today, as we focus on mastering asset management, I want to share that this is just one of the many ways Zoho has simplified processes across sectors, including education. So managing assets effectively can transform how institutions operate, reduce costs, and improvise and make better the student and staff experiences. With our partner Abhyas, we are committed to solving these challenges together, offering tailored solutions that are scalable, affordable, and also powerful. We look forward to supporting educational institutions in managing their resources more effectively and ultimately empowering them to focus on the critical matter which inspires them the most, that is to provide quality education. Thank you, and I look forward to the discussion side.
Thank you, Karthikeyan. So before we dive into asset management, let me take a moment to introduce you to Abhyas. We are a women's cooperative launched by MTAP and proudly partnered with Zoho. Our mission is to empower women entrepreneurs, helping them lead and grow within our cooperative. We offer internship for students, returnees, and job seekers, providing them with real-world experience that helps build strong career foundations. One of the things we are most proud of is our partnership with Zoho, which allows us to offer services that range from complete application setup to data migration, annual updates, and ongoing support, all designed to be both efficient and affordable. In fact, our solution can be up and running as little as 21 days, which means our clients can focus on what really matters, whether it's running their institutions or growing their businesses. We have built a presence in 15 countries, working with diverse range of clients that includes not just educational institutions, but also large corporations like NITs, Tata Steel, NTTF, and MTech. With more than 8 years of experience, we have always kept our focus on putting our customer-first approach and helping them achieve their goals by leveraging technologies. Now, vision and mission. At the heart of Abhyas is a vision of empower individuals, whether it's through entrepreneurship, self-employment, or helping students and job seekers build the skills that they need to thrive in today's workforce. Our mission in partnership with Zoho is to make a digital transformation accessible to educational institutions by 2026. We believe this will allow Abhyas to become a self-sustaining cooperative, creating regional wealth and supporting digitalization. We operate on a profit-sharing and reinvestment model, which help us scale our effort across multiple cooperatives while empowering our partners along the way. Now, let's get into the topic. So let's turn our attention to the main topic, asset management in educational institutions. If you think about it, managing assets in college and universities goes beyond just keeping track of your physical resources like computers or lab equipment. It includes digital assets too, such as academic programs, vendor data, financial records, and even safety guidelines. When managed properly, these assets can be used efficiently to reduce waste and ensure that everything is being utilized to its fullest potential. Not only does this help maintain accurate records for compliance and reporting, but it also leads to better resource allocation and saving in the long run. Let's talk about the challenges. So, of course, managing assets in educational environments come with its own set of challenges. Universities, for example, deal with vast range of assets, from technology and lab equipment to entire building and infrastructure. Keeping track of these resources can be overwhelming. Often we see the assets are underutilized or duplicated, which leads to efficiency and wasted resources. There's also the issue of maintenance. Regular upkeep is essential to ensure the longevity of these assets, but it can be difficult to track schedules and costs, especially when budgets are tight. Finally, there's a challenge of risk management, ensuring the safety and compliance of assets while managing proper documentation can be time consuming and complex. So here it comes, what is the importance of asset management tools? So this is where asset management tools like Zoho ERP make all the difference. These tools optimize resource utilization by tracking assets in real time and ensuring that they are used when they are needed most. By streamlining process and scheduling maintenance efficiently, operational downtime is minimized, which means less wasted time and money. What's more, these tools provide a detailed cost analysis that helps forecast expenditures more accurately, making budget allocation much easier. When an institution's resources are well managed, the campus environment becomes more conducive to learning, benefiting both student and faculty. These tools also allow institutions to align their asset strategies with their long-term goals, ensuring that resources are allocated in a way that supports their mission and vision. Let's watch a video that will give you the brief that why to choose a Zoho tool.
Imagine this, your institution running like a well-oiled machine, every tool exactly where it's needed, nothing out of sight or forgotten. But asset management is a real adventure. Tracking inventory, monitoring resources, ensuring maintenance, it's a thrilling challenge. Zoho CRM revolutionizes asset management, making it seamless. Imagine every asset meticulously tracked and managed without headaches. It integrates effortlessly, simplifying complex tasks. Every asset is tracked through its life cycle, maintained with precision. Automated reminders and detailed logs keep you ahead. Zoho lets your team focus on driving your business forward. Zoho's automation revolutionizes your workflow, saving you precious time. Gain insights to make smart decisions, slash costs, and minimize waste. Seamless integration across Zoho's suite makes everything work together effortlessly. Ready to revolutionize your asset management with Zoho? Let's dive into the steps to make it happen. Pinpoint your institution's needs. Identify assets and evaluate current strategies. Set up Zoho, integrate with your infrastructure, and customize tools to fit your needs. Get ready to supercharge your team with thorough and consistent training. They are the heartbeat of your operations, driving your success. Zoho is user-friendly, intuitive, and efficient. They'll master the tools with confidence. Keep a close eye on performance and optimize regularly. Zoho provides critical data to boost efficiency and productivity. Ensure nothing slips through the cracks, keeping operations smooth. With Zoho CRM, supercharge your success. Track vital metrics like asset utilization and cost savings. Revolutionize asset management and witness remarkable ROI. Ready to revolutionize your asset management? Visit www.avyas.com.
So we have tried to give you a brief that why to choose a Zoho tool. So Zoho CRM is a indispensable tool for tracking and managing all assets you have, whether it is physical inventory or digital resources. A full cycle to monitor these assets, ensure timely maintenance, and minimize the risk of oversight. Especially the feature that they are offering, automation, will provide you deep insights into asset utilization, seamless integration with other Zoho applications like Zoho CRM as well as Zoho Creator, a powerful tool to efficient asset management. So how to identify that whether it is useful or not? So for that as well, Zoho is providing free user trials for all its applications. And once you will implement the system, you need to identify that what key metrics that you have to find out. So for implementation, first of all, you have to identify your needs, choose the right tools, set up your system. Then you, most importantly, train your staff, monitor and optimize the system, whether it is providing you the right outcome that you are expecting. So once you are satisfied with the system, then you can go ahead with the implementation and using it thoroughly. And what metrics you will measure once you will set up the system. So asset utilization rate, maintenance cost reduction, operational efficiency, cost savings, compliance and risk management, user satisfaction, ROIs, data accuracy, inventory turnover, life cycle management of asset, these metrics you can measure once you will set up the system. So the result of implementing such tools speak for themselves. Real-time studies have shown the institution that adopt Zoho asset management solution experience a reduction in maintenance cost by 20 to 25%. Operational efficiency improves by 15 to 20%. And the return on investment is truly impressive, ranging from 400 to 500%. These numbers aren't just theoretical, they represent real improvements that institutions around the world are experiencing as they adopt these tools. For example, we can take over here premium B schools of India are using a CRM system for management. If I'll talk about the Zoho users, so we can take example of SRM University that are using Zoho for the asset management and the organization. Here's something you might not have considered. Effective asset management can also open up new revenue opportunities. Educational institutions can identify underutilized resources and rent them out, generating additional income that can be reinvested into other areas. This not only saves money by cutting down on waste, but also creates a new streams of revenue that benefits the institution as a whole. Furthermore, during the accreditation process, a well-managed asset system can demonstrate transparency, accountability, and efficient use of resources, factors that can significantly influence accreditation outcomes in a positive way. Now, that brings us to the end of our main presentation. I want to thank you all for your time and attention today. We have covered a lot of ground, from the importance of asset management to the real-world benefits that Zoho tools can bring to your institution. Thank you again for joining us today. I hope you find this session insightful and that inspires you to think about how mastering asset management can support the growth and success of your educational institutions. Thank you for joining us today. We are posting some sign-up link over here and booking links. You can try your own, the Zoho tools, as well as book your session with us to book the demo.
Thank you to all.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.